Hi, my name's Austin Linke, and today I'm going to be going over the pros and cons to plant breeding. Little introduction. Plant breeding has been a part of agricultural advancements for 10,000 years. It enables the development of crops that meet the needs of farmers and consumers. Plant breeders carefully select plants that have desirable traits and crossbreed them to improve the plant's quality. They generally aim to improve the entirety of crop yield, which is like more food, resist any variety of pests and diseases, and better adapt to certain environmental challenges. There are four types of plant breeding. There's traditional, selective, predictive, and genetic breeding. But today I'm mainly going to talk about the pros and cons of genetic breeding and what that associates with. There are many pros that factor into plant breeding. The main thing I'm going to talk about is how it improves the quality of the food we eat. Plant breeding can lead to new varieties of food that taste great and are easier to grow, making crop yield greater and giving farmers a bigger profit. We see this in corn, the picture above right there, and grapes and bananas. Mainly people don't know is like grapes should come with seeds in it, but they genetically changed it to where we have seedless grapes, so I think that's pretty cool. Cons, while there are many significant benefits that associate with plant breeding, there are cons that come along with it. Genetic erosion, which is something that I wasn't familiar with, or loss of genetic diversity can be problematic when breeding plants over time. This can make your crops susceptible to widespread disease and pest infestations. For an example, we talked about this in class today, but you were saying at Chipotle how like lettuce and spinach is susceptible to E. coli, and that's something I haven't run into, so that had me curious. In conclusion, genetic plant breeding presents meaningful challenges as well as outstanding opportunities. Agriculture can see crop yields increasingly grow, resistance to diseases and pests increasingly improve, and sustainable farming practices gradually occur. On a separate note, concerns and ethical issues involving genetic modifications and loss of genetic diversity are also raised. In the future, responsible approaches to plant breeding will be impactful for ensuring that its potential gets fully acknowledged and protecting the future ecosystems and food security. And here is the list of my citations. Thank you so much.